Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be covering UV, the Rust-powered Python package manager that everyone today is switching to. It is the fastest way to install packages in Python, and it's what everybody should be using in production and to develop their projects. It replaces pip, pipex, and virtualenv in one single binary, and today I'll be showing you how to install it, build a project, and never wait for pip again. So let's get into it. So we'll start off by actually installing it, and you can do it install UV by doing pip install UV like this. So we'll wait for this to load, and I'll show you in a second. So here we go, we've installed UV. There we go, we've installed it. We're going to now test them out. So here we have UV installed. If I write UV, I can see everything here.